In this video, I'm going to tell you the 3 things that are likely ruining your teeth. If you unfortunately have sensitive teeth or your teeth feel sort of furry or rough, this could be a really big sign of an unbalanced bacterial ecosystem inside your mouth. You live in this acidic level where your teeth are just dissolving, the plaque is growing because it loves acidity, and your gums will be falling apart. There are 3 really simple fixes that you can do. Low cost, easy, and makes all the difference. And it will help your mouth to feel wonderful, to feel clean all day long. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 3 things that are likely ruining your teeth. Healthy teeth and a healthy mouth. The teeth feel wonderful, they feel smooth and shiny, your mouth feels clean and fresh all day long. Now, if you don't feel that, if you unfortunately have sensitive teeth or your teeth feel sort of furry or rough, if you get a lot of food stuck all over them, this may be a sign. If you wake up in the morning and your tongue is coated in a coating, or if your gums bleed, or if you can actually pick something out off your teeth, this could be a really big sign of an unbalanced bacterial ecosystem inside your mouth. Now that sounds bad. What does that big ecosystem mean? It simply means that your habits and what you're doing to look after your mouth is out of balance. And how do you put it back into balance? Well, I'm going to tell you, there are 3 really simple fixes that you can do. Low cost, easy, and makes all the difference. So the first way to improve your mouth health today is to stop snacking and sipping. This means that you eat whatever you want to eat. Diet is important, but in this situation, you want to make a real difference to your mouth. Eat and drink within an ideal 20-30 minute window. A little bit longer if you need to, but ideally 30-minute window. Eat, drink, and then stop. Do not eat and drink again for at least 2 hours, and that includes water. It includes sipping anything. It includes chewing gum. It includes everything. Stop eating and drinking, a process I call mouth resting. See, the problem is as you eat and drink, the pH, the acidity in your mouth, drops rapidly. And it drops down and doesn't come back for at least half an hour. If you keep snacking and sipping, you prevent that return to normal. That drop down occurs, and just as it's beginning to go back, if it's a half an hour, next thing you do is you have another drink or you eat something else. And so that so-called Stefan curve, it's the graph, it's the picture of this acidity. You live in this acidic level where your teeth are just dissolving, the plaque is growing because it loves acidity, and your gums will be falling apart. All you have to do is eat and drink and then stop. So now the next thing is xylitol. Xylitol is an amazing help to everybody with their teeth. You need a very, very small amount. And what xylitol does is it stimulates a special flow of saliva. The spit in your mouth will come in a little quicker than it normally flows. And because it's coming quicker, it picks up some minerals along the way. This is kind of like the fire department. It knows it's got to do some work, and it kind of picks up what it might need to make sure it's ready for action. So this stimulated saliva enters your mouth, and if you are not eating and drinking at that point, so you have the xylitol before you start mouth resting, during those 2 hours, not only will the xylitol mineralize your teeth with these extra minerals that are in the stimulated saliva, but the xylitol will feed the good bacteria and it will help to get rid of plaque. It's basically balancing your mouth health. So the second thing that can damage your teeth is having a dry mouth. This can come because you got medications, because you don't breathe through your nose very well, because you sleep with your mouth open. And xylitol is a wonderful solution for people with dry mouth. So utilize xylitol, and certainly that can help your dry mouth at the same time. Now, speeding all of this up can be actually managed by choosing the right mouth care products. If you think you know the right mouth care products, but your teeth are not getting stronger, smoother, shinier, healthier, I would challenge that you've got the wrong products. The products that I recommend boost the speed at which you will have smoother, shinier tooth enamel. It'll help your teeth not attract plaque, and it will help your mouth to feel wonderful, to feel clean all day long, to feel smooth and shiny, and just give you a confidence about your mouth health that you may never have had before. So my suggestion is click on the link below to watch the video about the complete mouth care system that I recommend, and try it. Try it for a month or two and just see the difference that it may make to your own feeling in your mouth, and hopefully no more of that coating on your tongue, those furry teeth, or weak enamel that is causing you sensitivity and trouble. So the third problem is using the wrong products. And it's confusing because the marketing will tell you that this product is going to work for sensitivity, or this product is going to work to clean your gums. I recommend that you try my complete mouth care system. There's a video that tells you everything you need to know about the complete mouth care system. I have a free downloadable booklet on my website. I have a book, a second edition of Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye, which is a step-by-step guide with a lot of information about why it works and how it works. But try it. I beg you to just experience what it feels like to have a healthy, comfortable, clean feeling in your mouth day in and day out, no matter what age you are.